Here's how to download and install Zorin OS on VMware. First, we need to download the Zorin OS installation file. Open your web browser and search Zorin OS download. Then click on the first link. Scroll down and download Zorin OS Core. You can download Zorin OS Education if you want to use it for educational purposes. The Pro Zorin OS edition is not free. The download will begin automatically. The file is approximately 3 to 3.5 gigabytes, so it will take 5 to 20 minutes depending on your internet speed. Save it to your downloads folder or somewhere you can easily find it. Now make sure you have VMware Workstation installed on your Windows computer. If you don't have it yet, VMware Workstation Pro is free for personal use and works perfectly. I've already made a video on downloading VMware, so watch it and download it quickly to install it. The link to the video is in the description or at the top right of this video. Now, let's create a new virtual machine for Zorin OS. Click on Create a new virtual machine. Select Typical Recommended for easier setup. Click Next. Select Installer Disk Image File ISO and click Browse. Click on the ISO file to select it. Then click Open. Back in the wizard, you should now see the path to your ISO file displayed. Click Next. Choose Linux from the radio button options. Select Ubuntu or Ubuntu 64-bit. Click Next. Now we need to give our virtual machine a name and choose where to store its files. I'll name mine Zorin OS. Keep default location. Click Next. Now we configure the virtual hard disk. This is the storage space Zorin OS will have inside the VM. The default might be 20 gigabytes, but I recommend increasing it. I'll set mine to 60 gigabytes. Select Store Virtual Disk as a single file for better performance. Click Next. This is important. The default settings are often too low. Let's customize the hardware. Click on Customize Hardware, the button at the bottom of the window. You'll see a slider showing RAM allocation. The default is often 4 gigabytes, which is good, but if need smooth performance, set it to 8 gigabytes or more. I have 16 gigabytes, so I'll set mine to 8 gigabytes. Drag the slider or type the value directly. Leave the processor's default at 1 or 2, number of cores per processor. Click on Network Adapter. Make sure it's set to net or bridged. This allows the VM to access the internet through your host computer's connection. Once you're satisfied with all hardware settings, click Close to return to the summary screen. Back on the summary screen, click Finish to create the virtual machine. To start the installation, click on Zorin OS VM in the list to select it. Then click the green Power on this virtual machine button. The VM window opens and the virtual machine starts booting. I'll press Enter to begin. You'll see the Zorin OS logo with a loading animation. This takes 1 to 2 minutes as it loads the entire operating system into RAM. Be patient, it's loading the entire operating system into RAM. After loading, you'll see the Zorin OS welcome screen. Select your language and click on Install Zorin OS to begin the installation process. Select your specific keyboard variant. Once continue, check box to download the latest updates during installation. I recommend checking all these boxes so you have the latest updates immediately after installation. Once you've made your selections, click Continue. For this tutorial, select Erase Disk and install Zorin OS. Don't worry, this only affects the virtual machine's virtual hard disk, not your actual computer. Click Install now to proceed. Review the information and click Continue to confirm. Select your region where you are and click on Continue. Enter your account information. Make a strong password for security and then click Continue. The installation preparation is complete. Now we configure region and user settings. Click Continue to proceed to installation. Be patient and don't interrupt the process. While waiting, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more Linux tutorials, VMware guides, and tech content. After 10 to 30 minutes, installation is complete. You need to restart the computer to use the new installation. Click Restart now. A message appears. Please remove the installation medium. Then press Enter. Press Enter to remove the ISO. The virtual machine will restart. The VM restarts and boots from the virtual hard disk now, not the ISO. Click on your username if not already selected. Type your password that you created during installation. Press Enter or click the Login button, usually an arrow pointing to the right. Zorin OS will load your desktop environment. After login, the Welcome to Zorin Setup wizard appears. Click No Thanks or Start Tour if you want to see more information about features. Right-click on the desktop, then click Display Settings. Resize the display as desired. Click the Zorin menu and type Terminal. Click on Terminal to open the command line. Type these commands. Update package list sudo op update. Press Enter. Type your password when prompted. You won't see characters as you type. This is normal upgrade package list sudo op upgrade. And that's it. You've successfully installed Zorin OS on VMware Workstation. Zorin OS is beautiful, fast, and user-friendly, perfect for anyone coming from Windows or new to Linux. If this tutorial helped you, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more Linux tutorials, VMware guides, and tech content. Have questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below, and I'll help you troubleshoot. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new Zorin OS installation.